Hello friends, welcome to Jabadi's channel. I am Subham. Today I will discuss about how can we utilize our precious time effectively during this lockdown. This video is especially made for those students who had recently completed their class 10th board examination and willing to prepare for IIT JEE mains and advanced or NEET. So without wasting your time, let's start the video. This is a very beautiful quote. It says that when time gives you time to better yourself, utilize it. It is very difficult time for all of them. We can utilize this time as a golden opportunity and prepare ourselves. So without wasting time, let's start. So first is tips to utilize your time. First tip is try to revise all the important topics of previous classes. There are a few very important topics in class 9th as well as 10th. So let's start with physics. In physics, kinematics, gravitation, work energy power, sound, these are few very important topics of class 9th, and in 10th electricity and magnetism, optics, these are also very important. As you had already read about these topics, so just go through all the points, all the concepts of these topics so that you can get a better idea of it. Make a flow chart in your mind. Now let's move forward to chemistry. In chemistry, mole concept, atomic structure, periodic table, carbon and its compound, these are very important topics. Same thing applies for chemistry as well. Just go through the concept, make you better understand these topics. And next is mathematics. In mathematics, quadratic equations, linear equation in two variable, coordinate geometry, polynomial identities, trigonometry, AP, these are quite important topics. You have to make a very good grip on these topics. Now if you are a NEET aspirant, so you must have a better knowledge of cell diversity, tissue genetics, and etc. Same thing applies for chemistry, physics, math, biology, that you have already read these topics. So just go through the concepts and make a flow chart in your mind and make a good grip on that. So let's move forward. Next is to start your preparation with basic mathematics, because whether you are a mathematics student or biology student, doesn't matter. You have to understand the basic mathematics because it will help you in physics, chemistry, on all three subjects. So get some basic knowledge about basic calculus and basic logarithms, inequalities, wavy curve, graph formation, vectors, etc. These are very important topics, and it will help you in physics, chemistry, and also in class 12 maths. So when you complete these topics of basic mathematics, let's start your preparation by watching video lectures that are available on YouTube for free of cost. There are a few very good YouTube channels where you can find actually very good quality content and good teachers as well. A few of them are Unacademy, JEE, Vedantu. These are very good YouTube channels. I am watching these videos from last 1 month, and I have a better knowledge of that, uh, and I will assure you that the content was quite good and teachers were also very good. So you can watch their video. Now after completing and after understanding the concept, solve the NCERT textbook first. Do not ignore your NCERT textbook. It is very important. do solve each and every questions of NCERT, as it will give you some practice as well as confidence, because confidence is very much important while preparing for any competitive exam. Now when you had completed your NCERT textbook, I will suggest you to go with any standard books. There are many books in market, but you can't buy all of them, and it is also not good to buy all of them and make a burden on you. So just buy one or two quality books and solve as many questions as possible. But right now we are facing lockdown, so we can't able to buy those books. So I will give you an alternate method to download these books from internet. So there are very few books that you can solve. Like in physics, you can solve H.C. Verma concept of physics. For physical chemistry, you can go for R.C. Mukherjee. It is very good book. And for mathematics, you can go with Cengage or Aryant. Both are equally good. Now many of you have doubt in your mind to how to download these books. So you can visit JED library to download these ebooks for free. I will also give the link of that website in the description box. Do visit there. Now I will suggest you a thing, that don't do too many books and stuck in any book. Stick to it and solve as many questions as possible and revise it. Revise, because revision is very much important. Start early and beat your competitors. In competitive exam, you have to be better than everyone. So you have to beat your competition. So start early and beat your all competitors. So best of luck and thank you for watching.